Now I am going to show my English literature's holiday homework. Friends, this is the title page. Here I have to write two migratory birds. I wrote about Siberian cranes and Asiatic sparrowhawk. Here I have to make a word wall of difficult words of the chapter that is in my book. Here I wrote about birds found around my house. Here I clicked the photos and pasted them here. So friends, here I write two birds that are on the verge of extinction. Here I wrote about forest owlet and Indian bustard. Here I wrote about bird sanctuary in Uttarakhand. And at the last, we have to write the birdman of India, that is Dr. Salim Ali. Here I pasted his picture also. So friends, this was my English literature's holiday homework that I have to write in the A4 sheets. Bye.